Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at a car that needs no introduction, the iconic Cadillac Eldorado. But this isn't your grandpa's Eldorado. Buckle up, because Cadillac has brought this legend back for the modern age, and it's got some serious upgrades. Let's jump right into what makes this Eldorado tick. Under the hood, you've got a choice between two powerhouse engines, a twin-turbo V6 that pumps out some serious horsepower and torque, perfect for those who crave exhilarating acceleration. For the eco-conscious driver, there's a hybrid option that combines electric power with a gasoline engine for impressive fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. But power isn't everything. The Eldorado's all-wheel drive system ensures you stay planted on the road no matter the weather conditions. And for a truly luxurious ride, Cadillac has equipped it with their latest adaptive suspension technology that reads the road and adjusts for a smooth, cloud-like experience. Now, let's talk about that head-turning design. The classic Eldorado lines are there, but completely modernized. The long hood and sloping roof create a sense of elegance and power, while the sharp LED headlights and taillights give it a futuristic edge. This isn't just about aesthetics, though. The Eldorado's aerodynamic design helps with fuel efficiency and performance. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that's the epitome of luxury. Premium materials like leather and wood accents create a warm and inviting atmosphere. The seats are incredibly comfortable, with ample space for both driver and passengers. Of course, it wouldn't be a modern Cadillac without cutting-edge technology. The Eldorado boasts a massive touchscreen infotainment system that's easy to use and packed with features. A fully digital instrument cluster keeps you informed, and a premium sound system will turn your drives into concerts. Now, what truly sets the Eldorado apart? Here are a couple of things. Customization. Cadillac offers a wide range of options to personalize your Eldorado, from exterior colors and trims to interior upholstery and even custom stitching. Make it truly yours. Advanced Safety Suite. The Eldorado comes packed with the latest driver assistance features, including automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. These features not only keep you safe but also make your driving experience more relaxing. The Cadillac Eldorado is a car that oozes heritage and innovation. It combines the classic luxury experience with modern performance and technology. Whether you're a fan of the original Eldorado or simply looking for a luxurious and powerful car, the redesigned Eldorado is definitely worth a closer look. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of the all-new Cadillac Eldorado. Let me know what you think of this modern take on a classic in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews and news. Until next time, happy driving!